Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equal to 42 and x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we can write 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power y is equal to 42, or multiplying both side by 6 to the power x we can write 6 to the power x times 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x times this 6 to the power y is equal to 42 times 6 to the power x, or 6 to the power x times 6 to the power x is 6 to the power x whole square plus 6 to the power x times 6 to the power y is 6 to the power x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 42 times 6 to the power x, or 6 to the power x whole square, taking this 42 times 6 to the power x to left side we can write negative 42 times 6 to the power x plus this 6 to the power, from equation 2 the value of x plus y is 3. Now substituting the value of x plus y we can write 3 is equal to 0, or consider 6 to the power x as a. So we can write 6 to the power x is a, so a square minus 42. 6 to the power x is a, so it can be written as 42a plus 6 to the power 3 is 216 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 6 to the power x, or a square 216 is 36 times 6 and 36 plus 6 is 42. So negative 42a can be written as negative 36a minus 6a. This negative 36a minus 6a is negative 42a plus this 216 is equal to 0, or taking common a from first two terms we can write a times this a minus 36, and taking common a negative 6 from last two terms we can write negative 6 times a minus 36 is equal to 0, or taking common a minus 36 we can write a minus 36 times this a minus this 6 is equal to 0. So a minus 36 is equal to 0, or a minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write a minus 36 is equal to 0, or taking this 36 to right side we can write a is equal to 36, or substituting the value of a is equal to 6 to the power x we can write 6 to the power x is equal to 36 is 6 square. Here base are same, so this power will be equal, so the value of x is equal to 2. Again a minus 6 is equal to 0, so a minus 6 is equal to 0, or taking this 6 to right side we can write a is equal to 6, or substituting the value of a, we can write a is equal to 6 to the power x is equal to 6 is 6 to the power 1. Again, here the base are same, so this power will be equal. So the value of x is equal to this 1. Now, when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, from equation 2, the value of x plus y is equal to 3. Or substituting the value of x is equal to 2, we can write 2 plus y is equal to 3. Or taking this 2 to right side, we can write y is equal to 3 minus 2. So the value of y is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, when x is equal to 1, then from equation 2 we can write x plus y is equal to 3. Or substituting the value of x is equal to 1 here, we can write 1 plus y is equal to 3. Or taking this 1 to right side, we can write y is equal to 3 minus 1. So the value of y is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of x and y is, when x is equal to 2, then the value of y is equal to 1, and when x is equal to 1, then the value of y is equal to 2. So this is the solution of these equations. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.